Hello po sa inyong lahat, our valued partners from DevCon, student leaders, women in IT, and everyone joining to celebrate the 3rd anniversary of She is DevCon. In just 3 years, this initiative has empowered over 1,000 women across the country, from Pampanga and Legazpi to Iloilo, Cebu, Bukidnon, and Iligan. That is impact. That is amazing. Sa BOI, Women Rules. Sa management committee po namin, we have 14 members, 9 of which are women. It really makes a difference because yung nurturing touch ng isang nanay can be felt in the way the programs and projects are managed. Iba talaga pag babae. May karinyo, may pag-aalaga. Now going back to She's DevCon, one of our partnership platforms with DevCon, it is clear that it is an example of how we can translate vision to action by opening doors for women in technology and ensuring that no one is left behind in the digital transformation. Globally, evidence shows that when women participate meaningfully in digital transformation, outcomes are more inclusive, innovative, and sustainable. With their involvement, they help ensure technologies reflect social realities and ethical considerations. However, despite progress, major gaps remain. Women hold a small share of senior digital and AI leadership roles, and many women exit tech careers before mid-career due to workplace culture and limited advancement pathways. Dito sa Pilipinas, relatively luckier tayo. Unlike in other countries where women still need to fight for equal opportunities in education and the workplace, Filipino women are empowered and treated equally. Basta may talino, may kakayahan, tiyaga, at diskarte. Now, as we celebrate Women's Month, I would like to invite the ladies out there, the young and the not so young anymore, to partake of She is DevCon's offer of tech learning opportunities. Claim your spot, own it, and show them what you're capable of. Women as we are, we take to heart the core principle of leaving no one behind. To us, it is not just a slogan. It is the strategy to make it happen. A caring, nurturing, and sustainable future for our children and the generations to come. With that, maraming salamat at congratulations to DevCon at sa lahat ng kaparte at bumubuo ng She is DevCon.